a great day to come and celebrate Mother's Day. God has blessed us by...
It's Mother's Day. As a new mother myself, I so appreciate this day. I wish my mother Ellen could be here. What about fathers? After Mother's passing when I was just 16, it was my father William who stepped in and was both mother and father to me, and my 5 brothers. So what about fathers? And what about John, the father of my own son? He also deserves a day to recognize the wonderful father he has become. If there is a Mother's Day, then there definitely should be a Father's Day as well. I am going to see what I can do about making that happen.